Our story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.